Hello, I am back with another video. So, this video is the one I'm the most excited about for the birthday week. जूस वूस लेकर के बैठा ही हूँ मैं because this is gonna be a fun one. Also a very casual one, sitting in my night suit, PJs. So I'm gonna show you the box which is the most precious to me. It is my Pitara, my box of treasure that I have. I'll show it to you guys. This is not a gift box. If you're thinking it's a gift, it's not a gift. This is the thing I treasure the most. If something is burning down and I have to save only one thing, I'll save this. I'll show you why. Okay, so before starting the video, let me tell you, just appreciate my consistency. I made 6 videos for you guys, okay? So I thought of this because पता नहीं मेरा मन किया ये करने का, क्योंकि since it's my birthday, I thought I should let you guys know how I was as a kid. So before starting the video, let me tell you my monologue that I do. So if you're seeing me for the first time, please do subscribe to the channel and check out the other videos. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook. All the IDs are given down below to know more about me. Okay, so let's start with the video. Let's go. So this video is not about makeup or anything. You can see I'm sitting like a very casual SI. So this is gonna be a very fun video because in this box I have my childhood pictures. I'm gonna show my most treasured pictures to you guys. I have a box full of them, but can't show you all of them because it'll take days. So I'm gonna select some, show it to you guys. So these are my childhood pictures that I want to show you guys, and since it's my birthday, I'll start with my very random birthday pictures. So I don't have, the only picture that I don't have is from my first birthday because it was at my nanny's place, and my nanny probably has those pictures but I don't. This was my second birthday. I think I put all the pictures for you to see clearly. This was, I think, my second birthday. See, my nanny, and that's my dadi. This is me wearing topi. This was probably my third birthday. You can see how disinterested I am in cutting the cake. Now comes my fashion game, okay? Just look at my dress. And please see the hair accessory because I was obsessed with them. Again, very random birthday picture. What am I doing? Why am I wearing a suit on my birthday? I don't know. Okay, so this is in the later part. You can see me cutting the cake. That's Tinu and me wearing the same clothes because my mom made us wear same clothes. And this, I think, was probably the last birthday we celebrated. Uske baad I was like, I'm done. Because I'm quite grown up. I'm taller than my dadi in this one, so yeah. And this is the last one, like a Polaroid. So these were my birthday pictures. Let's get rid of them now. Not get rid of them, let's put them there. Now I'll show you the most embarrassing pictures that I have of me, because my father bought a camera to make fun of me, to embarrass me all my life with these pictures. So this is, I don't even know how to show this. This is from a fancy dress. The day I get married, I'm gonna put this picture and my picture here for you to see. I wanted to be a dulhan since I was a kid. See. So this one, you can see how happy I am. Like smiling. I wanted to do this. I didn't. My mother actually got these fancy jewelry, artificial jewelry, and this lehenga. I don't even. Achha, this lehenga was made for the annual function, fancy dress, for me to become a dulhan. Who had this idea of making me a dulhan on for a fancy dress? And then my parents decided, बच्चा तो फैंसी ड्रेस कर ही चुका है, अब सारे एनुअल फंक्शन में पार्टिसिपेट करेगा. स्टार्ट विद द वन वेयर I cried my eyes out. That's me. There. That's me. Dancing in a black and red sari, wearing patta in my hair, which actually did hurt a lot. I cried a lot, and my father was like, what's the point? We need to click pictures. Cry as much as you want. That's my father. And I was dancing also, like, I don't want to do this, don't make me do this. So yeah, these are from the annual function. You can see how much I loved annual function. You can see by my expressions. That's me there. This one. You can just see by my expression how much I loved annual function. Like, मेरे life में तो और कुछ है ही नहीं. This is me again dancing on some random song for the annual function. This was in my play school, and then my parents decided कि डांस तो हो गया, लेकिन फ़ोटो कहाँ खींचेंगे, घर पे खींचेंगे, दीवार के सामने खड़ा करके खींचेंगे. And this dress was actually bought with the hairband just for the annual function again. So my mom was, मेरी माँ को annual function से कुछ obsession है. Somebody please deal with her. Okay, now I'll show you the embarrassing pictures. I don't know which one to show you. They're all embarrassing. Okay, I'll show you the first one. This is me dancing. This song was, I'll tell you. चूड़ी जो करने की हाथ में याद पिया की आने लगी. I biggie biggie raat mein, the Falguni Pathak song. This was very famous. So I danced on this one. That's me in the pink lehenga. The lehenga is from my chachu's shadi. Thankfully my mother did not go and buy a lehenga for the annual function. And then the school, by now the school also had this idea कि ये बच्चा नाच सकता है, इसको नचा लो. तो एक दो बच्चे जो नाच सकते हैं वो हर गाने में नाचते हैं. Like that. I was that kid in school, in play school. So I was made to dance. I did one this group dance in lehenga, and then suddenly changed to dress, dance, do ballroom dance. So I danced with this poor little kid who I stepped on his foot twice. Also उस समय एक रेस थी जहाँ पे he had to come running to me. I was on the other end, he was on the starting line. He had to come to me, and there was this ring thing. He had to book the ring, and then we had to run. क्यों खिलाते थे बच्चों को ऐसे गेम भाई स्कूल में? And then we had to run together. But this boy came and he fell down. I snatched the ring, I bore the ring, and I ran back to the finishing line. I'm not very proud of it, but I had to win. I'm very competitive. Don't blame me. Now again the patta dance, just see how happy I am. Like, there's greenery everywhere, including my head. So yeah, I was a plant. I've been made to do such creepy things in life. You won't even believe. These are all the same pictures. Okay, you want to see the lehenga picture and my hair? Do not laugh. So my Ma had a rule, never to let my hair grow. This is me receiving a prize for the fact that they made me dance on 2 songs, and also because this is embarrassing, after leaving the fallen boy and running back to the finishing line, I cried because I did not win. We had to come running together. I came alone. I cried, so they gave me this. Okay. This one I really have to mention. I really have to mention this one. I don't have a picture जिसमें I'm dancing. This was in St. John's, so I don't know what song was this. I don't know. There was some PT song or something. I came back home and I was made to sit with Mrigyara and click a picture. Look at how happy I am and how happy she is, because I was the one who was made fun of, not her. There's another annual function which I don't have. Fortunately, I don't have a picture of. It was not an annual function. It was my mom's 25th reunion. I don't know, something in St. John's, when I was in St. John's. So I was asked to dance because mummy was coming. So I was asked to dance. So I did Michael Jackson, the moonwalk, and I was wearing this floral shirt with a hat and stuff. That was very embarrassing. The last one I'll show you. There's me, Little Miss and Master Kashi. I did get a runners-up prize because I forgot what my favorite fruit was. Forgot. They asked me what's your favorite food. I was like, oh, my teacher said strawberry. I said strawberry. I hate strawberry. Let me drink some juice to that. See how pretty my mug is from West Side, if you want to know. Now, as I told you about the fact that we've traveled a lot, I'll come to my traveling pictures now. So, we've never traveled ऐसे कि 2 लोग 4 लोग. We travel in bulk. मतलब पूरा परिवार साथ जाता है, and that is the best part actually. If you've traveled with your family, you would know. So most of the trips that we've made were with my badi bua. So it was badi bua, bade fufa, didi, bhaiya, mummy, papa, me and my sister. So most of the pictures you'll see for 4 of us together. So this was, I think, in Jaipur. I'll show you. That's papa, that's ma, that's badi bua, that's bade fufa, this is didi, this is Tinu, this is bhaiya, and that's me. भैया इसमें बड़ा प्यार दिखा रहा है मेरे को, ऐसे तो नहीं दिखाता. Then this I think was in Mumbai or Pune. I'm not very sure, because this was the first time in our lives that we had seen a Christmas tree on Christmas. We've never had seen a Christmas tree. We've had Christmas celebrations but never a Christmas tree. So this was the first one, so we took a picture. This is Didi, that's Bhaiya, that's me. Didi's gonna kill me for showing this picture. Actually, Bhaiya is gonna... I'm wearing a night suit, if you want to see. In a mall, I was wearing a night suit. That's me. That's how I am. That's who I am. Sorry. Okay. So this was my first trip as a kid with mummy and papa. The only time only 3 people traveled together. So it's me and mummy on a horse. I think we were in Nainital. It was Shimla or Nainital, I don't really remember. I think it was Nainital. So that's me here, very tiny person. The next one I have to show you guys is from Rock Garden in Chandigarh. That's Bhaiya doing some Dharminder step like that, and I am trying to do some monkey dance. Something like that, I don't know. This is in the Jaipur Palace. Now see, okay, in this picture, if you see Tinu and I show you a picture of Arjun, they actually look the same. And me trying to pose, please appreciate efforts. I'll keep this one separately because I want to send it to Didi. Okay, there's a very cute kid here, me, in a boat with mummy, papa. This was again for the first trip, from the first trip. Again in the baby bag, me. So this one is, इस पे थोड़ा ऐसा वो हो गया है, rust लग गया, but this is from Water Kingdom in SL World. You know, SL World in Mumbai used to be the big thing. उस समय it used to be the big thing कि मतलब SL World जाना है, SL World जाऊँगा मैं, घर नहीं जाऊँगा मैं, वो था. तो वी वेंट टू एसल वर्ल्ड एंड वी वेंट टू द वाटर किंगडम. तो वाटर किंगडम में दिस वॉज द पिक्चर. और इसकी भी कहानी ये है कि आई गॉट इन द वाटर, मेरे को ठंडा लगने लगा. आई वॉज शिवरिंग. आई केम आउट. मम्मी और बुआ बेचारे बड़ा तौलिया लेके पोंछ पाँच के अच्छा कपड़ा पहना कर कैसे बैठा दिया. 5 minutes later आई वॉज बैक इन द वाटर. अगेन आई केम बैक. दे अगेन चेंज्ड माई क्लोथ्स. अब इसके बाद तो कपड़े भी नहीं थे क्योंकि कपड़ा तो एक ही सेट गया था साथ में, तो भैया का कपड़ा पहना दिया गया. आई वॉज सिटिंग, मम्मी एंड बुआ लेफ्ट, दे केम बैक, आई वॉज अगेन बैक इन द वाटर. देन मम्मी वाज लाइक, you keep shivering, I'm not going to change your clothes. So happened. Okay, so the next one that I have, mic kahan chala gaya? हाँ. Okay, so the next one that I have to show you is from Sarnath. Sarnath is here in Banaras. So this is from Sarnath. This is probably the cutest picture you will find. That's Teenu, that's Didi, that's me, that's Bhaiya. We'll recreate this photo someday. I love this picture. This is from the Haldi Ghati. We went to the. Teenu has some cold. Don't mind if you hear sneezing. She has viral. It was after we went to the Maharana Pratap Museum. I think that's what it's called. I don't exactly remember. I was small. Please excuse. So we went to the museum, saw everything, and then we went to the घाटी which is called. इसमें से हल्दी निकालने की कोशिश की थी सबने. So yeah, we had a picture clicked there. That's the 8 of us. The driver clicked the picture. I'm assuming there is nobody else who can click this picture. Okay, this is from, I don't know. I think this is from Shimla or Manali. I'm not very sure. But there was this huge guest house that we stayed in. And यहाँ की एक बहुत ही traumatic memory है. That's why I'm doing this video, because I'll tell you a lot of stories about me. So it was पूरा ऐसा गोल सा था, and there was somebody staying in another room, and एक show आता था उसमें हिंदी में, which had a joker in it, which was like a very bad version of Stephen King's novel. Like it, Pennywise, the Joker had a name, I don't remember what, but it was so scary. He was watching it and I got scared. I was running back to the room and वो पूरा गोल, and I forgot which room was mine. Why was that man watching the Joker who was laughing like that? So after that I got scared of Jokers for a very very long time. Okay, I'll show you another picture. Okay, this is actually nice, huh? We got a picture at a conference that Papa had with the Mickey Mouse and Santa Claus and everybody. There was a time when this was the attraction for kids at fairs and conferences and stuff. This was the attraction, not video games and stuff. The 90s and the 80s people would know. Okay, again, you can see a very cute little me here. This is from, I am pretty sure, Manali, because I remember this. This is from Manali. I was saving this for the last. Okay, so this one also has a story. This is from again the Jaipur Palace. So that's Mrigyara and me twinning, like always. So isme there's a movie called Chor Machaye Shore. If you search it, you will find it. Bobby Deol and Shilpa Shetty. I think Bobby Deol had double role in it or something. Chor Machaye Shore. David Dhawan was the director, if I am not wrong. तो उसका एक गाना शूट हो रहा था जयपुर पैलेस में उस दिन, which was called मैं इश्कन इश्कन हो गई. Try and find it. Okay, so now Shilpa Shetty came to meet all the people who were standing there. So she came, she met everybody, my sister, or she was meeting the kids as alag se. I used to be a very shy kid. I said I am not going. I was like mummy के पास I am not going alone. So my दीदी took my sister, so she was carrying her, and my भैया went. अब ये लोग मिलके आ गए. Shilpa Shetty took my sister from my दीदी and she took her. वो लेके चली गई. वो लेके चली गई मेरी बहन को, और शी वॉज सिटिंग थोड़ा ऐसे दूर चेयर पे एंड शी वॉज प्लेइंग विथ हर. दीदी स्टार्टेड क्राइंग कि वो मेरी बहन को लेकर के वापस आओ. But then my mom had to go and say, where's my child, my child. Then she was like, I have your daughter. She gave my sister back to my mother. And then I was like, अब मुझे भी मिलना है. सब लोग ने देख लिया, अब मेरे को भी मिलना है. मुझे आई एम अ वेरी स्टबर्न चाइल्ड. आई स्टार्टेड क्राइंग. आई वांट टू मीट नाउ. So then my papa, we tried to make the way through. So Bobby Deol was, I don't have the picture here. I'll definitely find one and put it here. So Bobby Deol was very nice. He was so kind that he saw my mother, my sister, me and my father there, and the guards are obviously there. He asked what, मतलब क्या हो रहा है. तो माई मॉम सेड दैट माई डॉटर वांट्स टू मीट यू. सेड या आ जाओ, आ जाइए. तो माई मॉम टुक मी एंड शाय नाउ अगेन द शाय किड. बस जिद थी, देखना है. तो माई मॉम सेड माई फादर वाज स्टैंडिंग विद कैमरा की फ़ोटो ले लेते हैं. तो द बॉबी देओल वाज अ स्टार डूड. So he was very kind. He got up and ready for a picture. He clicked a picture with us, and he was amazing. And also there was Shilpa Shetty at the back. We did not go to her because my sister had already met her, so my mom has already met her. So we did not go to her. But मेरी इज्जत थी, मुझे बॉबी देओल को देखना है. I was a fan after watching Soldier, so I was like, मेरे को देखना है. उसके बाद we were sitting on the bench and watching the whole dance. So I'll show you the picture. Ganesh Acharya was the was the choreographer for the song. So he was directing and the dancers were dancing, and हम लोग ऐसे bench पे बैठे थे. So the dancers, they were rehearsing, and after there was a break, they pointed out to my mother and did this. तो माई मॉम वाज लाइक, शी थॉट कि उनका कोई लॉकेट या कुछ इज शाइनिंग ऑन देम. तो मम्मी वाज कि कुछ है क्या. दे वर लाइक, मामा लाइक क्या हो रहा है. एंड देन शी लुक्ड एट मी एंड माई सिस्टर. माई सिस्टर वॉज हार्डली 2 or 3 years ओल्ड. आई वॉज 5 साल उससे ज़्यादा. वी बोथ वर डांसिंग द सेम. मैं इश्क हो गई. दे वर लाइक, ब्रिंग द किड. सो माई मॉम वाज लाइक ओके. तो मेरी बहन को लेकर एंड द डांसर्स टुक हर, और सब गायब हो गए उसको लेकर के. एंड माई मॉम स्टार्टेड पैनिकिंग. मम्मी वाज लाइक, मेरा बच्चा कहाँ है, मेरा बच्चा कहाँ है. फादर हैड टू गो टू द डायरेक्टर डेविड धवन, एंड माई फादर वाज लाइक, मेरा बच्चा गायब हो गया है, गेट किड बैक. एंड ही वाज लाइक, अरे उनका बच्चा उनको दे दो. तो जब मम्मी लेने गई, द डांसर्स वर सराउंडिंग हर. अब उस समय फ़ोन नहीं होता था, और एल्स यू वुड हैव सीन वीडियोज़, बट they were surrounded and she was dancing पूरा. मैं इश्कन हो गई, and she was dancing full on. और फिर dancers were like, your daughter is so cute. ये मम्मी, please give my daughter back first. then मम्मी उसको लेके, and she was not ready to come. ऐसा लगा कि ये गाने में होंगी पिक्चर में, पर उसके पहले मम्मी was like, नहीं, it's okay, we need to go home, come on. and then after that papa was like, let's go home before she's taken away by somebody else. She used to be a very cute kid, right? Okay, so I think I have only 2 or 3 pictures left. Okay, so this is me being again put in a costume like always. I have this huge picture with the Rajasthani thing also. I'll put a picture here for you to see. Papa and his fascination for pictures would never go. This is from Pune. You can see me with 2 packets of jellies. I'm not concerned about the picture. I'm only concerned about my sweets. That's me. Now I'll show you some really nice pictures. My buas, both of the buas, live in Delhi. But there was a time we visited Delhi for the first time. So this is how my father went crazy and clicked pictures. This is near the Qutub Minar, and I'm showing you just few. This one is actually cute. This is the 4 of us. That's Bhaiya, me, Didi and Tinu. And then there was also this Jantar Mantar picture where you can see the entire maze, and we are here. The picture is the maze and we are here. It's Didi, Bhaiya and me. And this one is actually cute. We'll recreate this also someday. This is the 4 of us standing in order of height and age. Okay, now which picture should I show you? Let's move on. This video is gonna be a long one, huh? So stay. Stay with me. See you guys next time with another one. Till then, अगर अच्छा लगा तो press the like button. अगर बहुत अच्छा लगा तो share it with your friends, family and everybody you know. Do share it. Comment down below. I'll see you guys next time. Till then, signing off.